Meaning of disembarkation.
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 Disembarkation. Disembarkation refers to the process of getting off a ship, aircraft, or other mode of transportation. It involves the act of leaving the carrier and moving onto a stationary platform or ground. The result of disembarkation is that passengers or cargo are able to exit the means of transportation and go on with their journey or transfer to another mode of transport. It marks the end of a trip and the beginning of the next phase of travel or the arrival at the final destination.